Good morning, you guys. I just wanted to do a very short video on how you can shop with my page, my website, and the Paparazzi website. A few of you are having problems trying to find where you need to go and also with ordering, so I thought I'd take 5 to 10 minutes and show you how to do that. So right now I'm on my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Jessica's Jewelry Closet. And there's a Shop Now button right at the top. So when you click that Shop Now button, that's going to bring you right to my personal website. Now, this is not the one that Paparazzi gives us for free. This is one that I made completely on my own so that I could put my personal inventory in it, which you can see right here at the top. It says Jessica's Inventory. That is stuff that I personally have in my home, ready to ship anytime that you want to buy. This is stuff that I have on my wall in the backgrounds of my live, and also in bins and such that I have here. So if you click on Jessica's Inventory, it will say Shop My Personal Inventory. And this will feature the top 12 items, I believe. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it says View All Products. You're going to click on that to search everything. Categories are right on the side. And I do have a men's category, even though there's not much in it. For some reason, I sell out of the men's stuff like as soon as I get it in. So you can search through all of that. And when you buy on my website, that does send an email to myself, not Paparazzi. That comes directly through me and ships through me as well. So let's go back home. And on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll see a Shop Now button on my website. So if you click that, that will then bring you to the official Paparazzi Accessories website, under my name, of course. So you can either shop or choose to join my team. If you choose to join my team, they are running a promotion this month. You're going to have the, let's see here, starter kits at the bottom. Well, they do have ones in Spanish as well. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to choose your sponsor, whether that's me or another person. So use sponsor above for myself. And then at the bottom, that's going to give you your packs to choose from. So right now, the $2.99 pack comes with an additional 10 pieces. The $4.99 pack comes with an additional 20 pieces. That is only for this month. If you'd like to see what the pieces are, I do have that on my Facebook business page. And I'll be honest, I just started out with the 99 preview pack. It gives you everything you need to get started. I believe it lists it somewhere. If you can't find it on here, I also have what's listed in each pack on my business page as well. Then obviously you're going to fill in all your information. And I'm not going to do it because obviously I'm already registered. But you would fill that out. You would pay through the Paparazzi website to join. And then I will help you from there. And I'll be honest, I'm part of it, like an amazing team. I cannot say good enough about my team, the leaders, how motivating they are. There's rewards consistently for things you complete each month. So it's really an awesome team. And if you do decide to join my team, obviously I will show you how to become a part of all of that. There's Facebook group pages for our teams. And just tons of giveaways and prizes for basically everything that you do in this business. So if you do not want to join my team, you are just going to click on shop under my picture. And this is going to give you a bunch of categories at the top. The hair accessories sell out as soon as they get in. As soon as they're released, I mean, the hair accessories sell out. So you're probably not going to find anything in that category. New releases come out every day, Monday through Friday. So if you want to check that, there's always something new there. Blockbusters, these are pieces that are always available. They won't sell out. I think there's only been one item since I started that they took off of here, and they did give plenty of notice that it was being discontinued, and then they took it off after it was gone, but that's only happened with one item. There is an Americana section. Obviously this is all red, white, and blue accessories. The Uniquely Urban is going to be the men's section. Most of it is gender neutral. So I actually have a bracelet that I wear from the Uniquely Urban section, and my mother has a necklace that she wears from that as well. So it's not just for men, but that's where you're going to find that category, is in the Uniquely Urban. Paparazzi collections. If you click on that, that's going to give you complete sets of all these different collections that we have. So, well, let's click on sunset sightings. And that's going to give you accessories that kind of go with that category. And then obviously there's different categories to choose from. Let's go back here. If my computer cooperates. Which it is not. Now it brought me back to the beginning. The internet has been so bad for the last few weeks. Okay, where are we at here? Alright, Starlit Shimmer. I personally have not purchased any of this. I just seem like I don't have a following for the kids' jewelry. So Starlit Shimmer is for little kids. And they have rings, earrings, and bracelet kits. Most of these do sell out also. So if you want to purchase any of this, I suggest to just keep looking. Sometimes there's nothing in this category because it sells out so fast. And then like today, there's 3 things to choose from in this category. So if you would like any of that, I would just keep checking. I'll be honest, when stuff comes out, I mean, it sells in seconds. There's times where I'm getting on to purchase myself and stuff will be flying out of my cart before I can even purchase it. So it's crazy how much this business has grown, even since I started just 3 months ago. Okay, so I think that's about it. The rest of the categories on here are only for consultants, so you're not going to click on anything else. So I'm going to click out of the Paparazzi page, back to my inventory. Or back to my website, I'm sorry. So if you scroll down further in my website, that's just going to be the featured items. And then there's an About Us section with my story. And you can take the time to read that if you'd like. Then under that, I have a Join My Team. And that's going to bring you, if you click on this, that's going to bring you right to that Paparazzi section that I showed you earlier on how to join my team. That's a little section down farther about going live. I try to go live at least 3 times a week and do a shop the wall. So I try to stay consistent with that. And I think that's about it. If you need to contact me for any reason, there is a contact form if you click on that on my website. And then you can also contact me on my business page through Messenger, or just feel free to comment on anything that I post, and I'll be glad to answer your question. So that's a little run through of how to get through my business page, my website, and the Paparazzi website. I hope that helped a little bit with any questions you may have had. If there's any more questions, just please feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you, whether it's for ordering or becoming a consultant yourself. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.